Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make an Excel sheet with a header. First, open your Excel workbook and navigate to the sheet where you want to add headers. Select the row where you intend to place your header titles, typically the first row. This foundational step ensures your data is well organized from the start, making it much easier to interpret and manage. To create your basic headers, simply type the name for each column into the cells of your chosen header row. For example, in cell A1, type product ID, and in B1, item description. After entering the text, select these cells. Then, use the Home tab to apply bold formatting, increase the font size to 12 or 14 points, and perhaps add a light gray fill color to visually distinguish them from your data. For more advanced header designs, consider merging cells. If you have a main category like sales data that covers 3 subcolumns, select those 3 cells, then click Merge and Center on the Home tab. This creates a single, centered header. You can also add a thick bottom border to your header row to clearly delineate it from the data below, enhancing visual separation and professionalism. To ensure your headers are always visible, even when scrolling through thousands of rows, use the Freeze Panes feature. Select the cell directly below your header row and to the right of your first column, then go to View Freeze Panes. This locks your headers in place. When printing, go to Page Layout Print Titles to set your header row to repeat on every page. Remember to check the description for a link to great deals on smart speakers and other useful products.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.